right? Depends on all of that. What species, the host itself, attachment sites, etc. Which of the following statements is not true? Do viruses contain DNA or RNA?
Yes.
Right, not both, John. Nucleic acid is surrounded by a protein coat?
No.
Yeah, they have a protein coat around it. Viruses multiply inside living cells. They do that. That's true. Do they use viral and messenger RNA, tRNA, and ribosomes?
Yes.
Are there such things as viral ribosomes?
No.
They use human. They use us.
C.
Okay. They do produce infectious. When they say infectious elements, they just mean we're virions.
What's half the correct answer?
So we got to read the questions all the way, and you read the answer all the way. Don't read an answer. Oh, that's half right. Okay, you're really half. No, that's right. Keep reading. Okay. I'm sure some of you have perhaps missed a question because of that. Okay. Okay. A person, because I know I have. Okay. A persistent viral infection is different from a latent viral infection. What's the difference between a persistent and a latent? What's a persistent viral infection?
Constant.
Constant, and it's
So it's slow.
increasing, right?
No.
It builds up. Persistent.
Oh,
It's,
which is true. I was saying not true.
But wouldn't A be correct?
no, not. No, they're all so. Right. It builds. So persistent, right, is increasing. Latent. It's like it's hidden, and then right it emerges. Think shingles. Latent or something. Okay.
So latent would be like C then, right? No?
No, latent would be like B.
Would be like reactivation, let's say. A latent viral infection is one, like say shingles, where it's there, and then let's say you get immunosuppressed, and then boom, it comes back.
Right.
Okay, like you get the chicken pox, like let's say chicken pox is itself an acute infection, right? And then that virus just remains hidden for decades until let's say you get stressed or whatever, and then boom, it pops back again. That's latent. Persistence, like measles, where you get the measles and then over months, it just
What's an
increases, or
example?
hepatitis C, or hepatitis B, which eventually kills you.
What's an example of A then? It remains in equilibrium.
In equilibrium with the host. I don't know. I would just think of a normal microbiota.
So the answer is D.
Cancer-causing alterations to cellular DNA affects part of the genome called what? The oncogene. Cancer-causing alterations are on the genome, here we're talking oncogenes. Okay. Spray bees is what?
It's a
Bell
prion.
cow disease.
Prion.
What is it? Yep, prion. Yeah. Okay. Emergence of new infectious diseases is probably due to what? Except.
E.
So the emergence of new infectious diseases is due to, everything except this. The bacteria don't need it. I mean, it just happens. It's like, because obviously traveling by air, wars, floods, etc., increases the emergence of, crossing the species barrier. Think of your flu, okay? And you have to remember, a lot of our human diseases were once little other animal diseases. You know, we came along usually after most of them were mammals and such, and so, you know, we just, you know, happened to coexist with a lot of them. And, okay. And we'll just stop with maybe this one. We'll finish with the first thing on the next one. In fact, the normal microbiota can benefit the host by preventing the outgrowth or overgrowth of harmful microorganisms called what?
Antagonism?
Right? The fact that normal microbiota can benefit the host by preventing the overgrowth of harmful microorganisms. The fact, overgrowth of harmful microbes, or let me say, normal microbiota by overpowering essentially your what is also known as microbial antagonism. But it is benefiting us. So at this question, I don't really like too much. This is actually.
Is A and D?
They're actually referring to microbial antagonism specifically. Commensalism is, remember, when one benefited at the expense of the other. But in this case, you're not really sure. Both could be.
So you think it could be?
All of these, okay, are all possibilities. So the best answer is really this, which I know I wouldn't probably use this